afternoon, everybody. Just wanted to give you an update that I am definitely driving the loot-filled Focus. Everybody keeps asking me why I'm driving it, and I wanted to show everybody that so far, since I finished up the body work and I've been driving it back and forth to work, I've kept one of my trips just from when I started driving it, and the other one's just this tank. And this tank's been mostly without air conditioning because it's getting a lot nicer out here in South Louisiana. I mean, shit, it's November 1st and it's 73 out on my way home from work. So imagine that. It's and I'm not bragging because I know there's a lot of people that probably have already had snow and is miserable and all that other stuff, but here it's pretty nice. So I figured I'd make a video on why I wanted this car and why it'll eventually pay for itself. I've been getting, with my truck, with my F-150, I get about, I want to say 15, 16 miles per gallon. That's blended city and highway. So, it's not the best. And, I bought it knowing that, but, if I could get better gas mileage with as much as I drive for work, I figured, what the hell, So anyways, I'm going to flip this around and I'm going to show you what I'm getting on this tank. And then I'm going to show you the mileage for this tank so far. And then I'll show you the mileage for the whole time that I've had the car, running and driving it and taking it to work and back, and the mileage per the computer. And I've hand calculated it a couple times, and it's pretty damn close to what the computer says. So here you go. I'm going to flip you around, so hold on a second. So this is the trip odometer right here that I'm on right now, and it is, I don't know if you can see that I am driving, it's 281.4, and then the distance to empty is 176, and I think the tank's about 11 gallons. So that means I still got, I don't know, I can't do the math right now, but here's what my average fuel on this tank is: 37.9, and that's the front fascia is still cracked from the wreck. I didn't really fix that, so it's it's cracked. The aerodynamics aren't perfect, so yeah, I'm getting that. And that's, and again, I wanted to show you this. This is 7 hours of driving, and I got 282 miles and 175, and it's 37.9 for this tank without air conditioning. It's freaking amazing. So then, the other one is the Trip 2, which is the one that I've been driving on since I started. 35.9. I'm going to run through it. So 38 hours of driving, 1,318 miles, and 170, that's the same. But 35.9 miles per gallon, that's blended. I drive in town, I drive sort of highway, and so, I mean, shit, that's why buying this car for $1,700 on Copart after it got rear-ended, and it had 92,000 miles or something on it, and putting my own sweat equity and a few $100 worth of parts. I think I paid $400 to get the bumper cover painted, and here I am. I'm probably, with the fees from Copart and all that included, I'm probably, shit, I guess I need to add it all up, but I'm guesstimating with fees, delivery, I bought those new panels for the back, and I bought the new used trunk lid and back bumper cover. If I got $3,500 in this thing, that'd be a lot. So it's a 2013, and it's got almost 100,000 miles. I don't know what Edmunds, I probably would have been more ahead, but I had a lot more fun shooting the videos and putting all the stuff in. So long story short, yeah, I mean, I got a car with $3,000 into it. I think the Edmunds Blue Book's like, if it wasn't a salvage title car, it'd probably be worth $6,500, $7,000. And it gets, oh look, I just went over. The average on this tank is 38 miles per gallon. So, anyways, I appreciate everybody watching, and please keep watching. Please keep giving these videos thumbs up, and I'll keep making them. I got some stuff going on. I think the next video is going to be me pulling motors out of some of my extra vehicles so that I can get them cleaned out and get rid of them. So hopefully that's what I'm going to be doing this. Oh look, it went to 38.1. Hopefully that's what I'll be doing this weekend. Start that up. And anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you around. Thanks for watching.